Well, it's a revival. That's exactly what it was, because when it started, the Klezmer revival is old. It started in 1978, 79, 80. That's 30 odd years ago. 35 years. Think about it. The Klezmer music, what had happened was that during the war especially, the music that had been klezmer, they were old people. People who had come over in 1890s, 1900s, 19 teens or something like that. Those people were already old. They were beginning to die off. Their children liked Glenn Miller, Frank Sinatra, whatever it was. Jewish music was tertiary or even quadruple someplace, it was going down in people's. So by the time that I came into the business, nobody wanted to hear it anymore. It was just about gone.